Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for such an amazing response to the last video. Not quite what I was expecting, but let me just say this for the record, we're going to do the job properly. I think the one thing that didn't quite connect my brain to what I was doing was the fact that this was very close to a body mounting point. And yes, that is a structural part, being so close to that point. So yes, it is not the right job to do. And I guess doing it in the way I did it isn't for everybody. So it's a shame because I think I've done a beautiful job here, but that doesn't really matter. You guys are right, it needs to be done properly. So we're not going to bother doing a bulkhead replacement on this bulkhead. We're going to do a repair, paint it, job done. Now, getting these panels off, the wing panels, it's pretty simple. As long as all the bolts come off easily, we should be less than sort of half an hour getting this off. So first thing is we've got some bolts that go through the edge of this panel here into the bulkhead. Then we've got some that actually join the seam between the wing top and the side wing, and they also extend to the front here. So we just have to methodically go around, undo all of those, undo the back ones, and then the panel should come off. There we go. That's our bulkhead. Let's have a look and see just how bad it really is. Oh, look, someone's put chicken wire in there. Dreadful repair. Right, I thought, to be honest, I would only have to cut in here, this section, but this needs doing as well. So we're gonna have to go a little bit higher, which means we'll have to go in here. It seems like a natural place to put a cut. I think also for the sake of just one screw to drop your headlight out, you'll get better access to things through there, so that's worth doing. Now the problem we have here is the wing is spot welded onto this plate here. Now I think if we can just drill out these spot welds, these three, that's going to leave one spot weld left. However, I think if everything else is released and we just give it a little tweak, it should break off. Right, hopefully we just got one last bracket here. Not too bad. It's quite heavy, bloody hell. Okay, so the reason our wing top is so heavy is because that is full of filler, and you can see just how, well, you perhaps can't, but it is really low. Whoever's done the repair has done a nice job, and it is flat and it looks okay. It's bulging slightly, but do we replace the wing top or not? I think we might. We'll have a little look and see how much they are, and then we'll go from there. But that is the reason why it's so heavy, because it's full of filler. So what we've got is we've got this big hole here, and we've got holes starting to appear here as well. And this just will not cover that hole. It goes to there. Now that's going to leave us with a big section, which I could, to be honest, I could just cut a piece of steel into there, and that would be a nice little repair job. Or I could just go ahead and use this bit, which has got it all there, and it goes straight on. The thing I don't like is this little lump, because to get rid of that lump, I'm probably going to have to go right down to the metal. It's going to be really thin, and clearly that is going to have to be filled, and that's probably where corrosion is going to start. It's almost better to do my own little infill panel there. So that is what I'm going to do. Right, we're not going to fit that one. We're going to go with YRM, and we're going to get it marked up and start cutting. It's all looking good. The only thing that I've noticed is it's kicking out. Now, what I need to show you is the bottom of this is actually capped off. Maybe you can see that. So the bottom of the YRM one, which is why I like it, is it's all capped off. So you can actually get it to sit captive around that mount. We'll get it in place there. That's all sitting good, but it's not sitting flush because we've got to remove this strip from the old one. Now that is an absolute pain in the ass, but what I'm going to do, I think, is drill out all these spot welds. So wish me luck. And now, hopefully, she'll sit flat. Perfect. Okay. Now let's just be clear. We are going to weld it, but I can't weld it here. I've got to take it somewhere else. So to do that, I need to keep it in place just temporarily. Then they'll obviously weld it in. Then I'll take the rivets out and everyone's going to be happy. Okay. Now the big question is, am I tempted to leave it like that? Yes. But I won't. Of course I won't. That is going to be welded professionally. I will show you it done so you believe me, because I am not a shoddy workman. Well guys, that is it for today's episode. I hope you like what you see, a lot more than last time. So we're going to get this welded in tomorrow at a local body shop. They've said they'll just weld it up. There's a patch to go on the side. There's another patch fill in here, and they've said it has got to be spot welded on this edge. You can't just rivet it because, again, structural parts. So you're all right. I was very wrong. Sorry about that. But I've taken your advice and I've done it. So keep watching. Next episode, this will all be welded up. We'll get it all treated. We'll get it all, you know, filled, dressed, ready for paint, and then we'll decide what we're going to do to the wing. So thanks very much for watching. Give us a thumbs up if you did like this episode. Please do subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.